Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone your voice with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, speechify.com. And after you have opened this website, you can log into this website with your Google account. And after that, you're going to import your voice to this website. If you want to import your voice, you can click on import my voice right here, and here you can choose either you want to start recording or you can choose a file from your device, and I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to go to my internal storage, and I'm going to select recording folder. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on import a voice. Okay, just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. All right, and then we can change the tags right here, and I'm just going to leave it like that and click on generate audio.
Speechify has revolutionized my productivity with
This
its
is the
custom
audio we
text-to-speech
have
voices.
cloned with the AI.
Partnering with Speechify allowed me to clone my own voice, making it faster than ever to create new audio and video
And
content.
if you want to download it, you
If you're
can
a
click on
content
this
creator,
download icon.
podcaster, video editor, or anyone else.
Alright guys, then that's all the way to clone your voice with AI for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.